Good afternoon, everybody. I want to show you a new product I've recently discovered. It's a special custom shotgun shell. I call these my anti-antifa rounds. And you'll see why in a second. There hasn't been any regulation on these yet, but I'm sure after this video they're going to try to ban these too. So I've already got a couple preloaded into the shotgun, so let's see what it does. Oh, and I also got to say that there's virtually no recoil with the use of this custom made shell. Let's see what we got. Oh, these are blanks, by the way. None of these are actually live, so let's find out what it'll do, right? Can't buy those at Walmart.